Hey y'all, this is my toy collection. How are you guys doing today? Thought I'd do a video show off my toys. This is Toy Fortune, Toy Heaven. I got G.I. Joe. I got all these figures with all the action, all the accessories. Yes, y'all. Yeah, got everything from Outback to Crazy Legs over here that I got with the Dragonfly. Oops, I'm losing some weapons here. That weapon's coming off. Got it. Yes, y'all. From the Dragonfly Night Force. Yes, y'all. Got this nice backpack here. We got the Jungle Hound in here. Yes, y'all. Got this with the HMS Heatseek missile system. Yes, so the G.I. Joe version. Got this guy. We got the Phalanx. We got the Cobra Claw over here. Yeah, we got this weird little wings jetpack. Yes, y'all. And that always comes off. Yeah. Not one of my favorite figures. I think it was a cool idea, but it's not really that great in execution. Yeah. Stick this guy on the shelf here. Yeah, we got Blowtorch. Yes, y'all. And we got the vehicles. It feels so good to have all these vehicles lined up like this together. Here we got Baroness and the Stinger. I took the missile system off. She got two guns, two big guns. Yes, y'all. Here we got Firefighter. We got the Stinger Cobra Trooper. Yeah. Got all these figures. Here's the firefighter, and his weapon is angled down, so it always falls out of the hand. I'm not sure why they chose to do it like that. If you know, leave a comment. Yes, y'all. And this firefighter, yeah. Loot and accessories. Here we got some ammo clips falling off. I don't know exactly where they go. From the color, you can see that they go on a certain gun. Oh, this ammo clip actually goes on this Cobra Trooper. Yeah, there we go. Stuck the ammo clip on there. Just figured that out now. Yes, y'all. We got the Batmobiles, Batman Tumbler. Batmobile, we got a Lamborghini, we got the Incredible Hulk here. This figure gets no attention. It's a great figure, I love it, but it doesn't catch my eye too often. Check this out, I got not one but two Spider-Man McFarlane. This is going to give to one of my friends. Gonna give to one of my friends, and yeah, when I ordered it, they shipped me two by accident, by miracle, by mistake. This came with the retro punching He-Man. These books. Yes, y'all. Nice, brand new, recolored, recopied 70s comic book. Yeah, I'm not too much a fan of the art anymore as I used to be in those days. I don't know why. I like the toy better than the artwork. It's just me now. Yeah. Back in the days, the box art was so important to me. Yeah, that's nice. Got a quick look at that. and we'll save that in the baggie. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Taking a little too much time on that. The baggie. Yes, yes, y'all. And we got another book here. Yeah. Beautiful 70s artwork, 70s coloring. Yes, yes, y'all. Love this. I do love the artwork. But the figure is more important to me. Check out this goddess Tila. Yes, yes, y'all. Congrats on you guys for getting your goddess figure. I had to say, I passed on that, but I the next day I was like, maybe I should have gotten it. Yes, yes, y'all. Beautiful artwork. The me right now is not into the artwork as much as me those days. The cartoon back then, oh my god, I loved cartoons when I was little. Yes, yes, y'all. Got that in soon. Yes, yes, y'all. Over here. Over here we got all this. We got Optimus over here. Lighter feature in the eyes. Tiger sleeping. Hi, Tiger. You okay, Tiger? Hi, Tiger. We got the dragon sitting here on. Thank God it's light and nice and hollow. Yeah, we got the dragon. Beautiful. I love this thing. Yes, yes, y'all. Nice and hollow. Sits on there. We got everything from cartoon collection He-Man to... Oh, whoops. I'm breaking my storage bin there. Yeah. We got 7-inch He-Man, Classics collection, Filmation. We got the lights to the Matrix in the Lewin Optimus. Check out that big light. Yes, yes, y'all. Yeah. And let me show you my toys. Yeah. There's Tiger enjoying the sun. Hi, Tiger. Tiger, want to go outside? Want to go outside, Tiger? No, she wants to stay right there. This is the regular figures, Super 7 Ultimates. There's the boxes. Here's the hands. Here's a dragon kind of rat. It's little like a rat. Like it's a conjoined two dragon thing. This, I don't know what this is. This doesn't seem to open or anything. I don't know the story. You guys probably know the THUNDERCATS story. There's the Eye of Thunder on a glow in the dark sword. These are the alternate head sculpts. I don't like the style they went for on this. I like this style better, more rugged, more real world. Yes, yes, y'all. And I gotta throw these away. These ties in plastic. I got all this plastic ties. I gotta throw away. Don't want to get that in the vacuum cleaner. Yes, yes, y'all. So this is the cartoon. These are the light up eyes, Yes, yes, y'all. I did put the cape on Mumra. Got to stick these stick it through the holes. Yeah, on his arm and his back. Yes, yes, y'all. This is the play scene right here. Got the tram car unobstructed. Yes, yes, y'all. Oh, gorilla. Yeah. I gotta move gorilla out of the way. Yeah. So this is my toy collection, y'all. You guys just watching, not playing along. I can't do that. If I watch YouTube, I gotta play along. I gotta get the hot stuff that I dream about. And now the collection is full. Yeah. And that Metroplex is crazy. The 4-foot tall Metroplex. Now they're saying expected arrival on TF Source November. So we're still waiting, and now they want to charge me $230 on top of what I paid, $1,500. They want to charge me $230 now on top of it for shipping. They're changing the story. Before it was free shipping. So I should cancel it. Like, it's ridiculous. It's so stupid. But I don't want to. I don't know. Well, we'll see if I end up regretting it. But we'll pay that $230. Yeah. Phalanx. This is full of all the Joe figures. Keep them in storage. Here's the Jungle Hound. Here's my 12-inch scale. Yes, yes, y'all. Ninja Turtles looking pretty cool. There's more McFarlane Marvel figures that I want to get. Statues, comic book cover statues. They're coming out like November, December. I'm going to get more. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Dream to own these finally. Can't imagine if my wishes never came true. That I couldn't attain. That's a gift in my life. But it's harder to play the game. Yeah. Yeah. Check out the crows, Laradique. Check out the crows. She loves crows. Maybe I'll give her one of those crows. There's my Mondo 12-inch. And I like it on Fight Zone. That is the throne. Yes, yes, y'all. There's Omega Supreme, Optimus Prime, Hulk. Looks like it didn't break this, that loud sound. Yeah, but I can't sit on that. Yeah. Joe figures. Ninja Turtles, He-Man. Those are the Retro Punch He-Man and Skeletor. He-Man and Skeletor. Yes, yes, y'all. There's Rio Blast. Yes, yes, y'all. I got this is my sewer layer. Yes, yes, y'all. I got Blokey's Devastator on the sewer. Yes, yes, yes. I like that. That reset my mind on Devastator. Yeah, nice, refreshing. Airborne. To lose his big guns. Yeah, his gun is in here. His gun. That's gonna fall out there. He's got his goggles and stuff. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Got Gung Ho over here. Not one of my favorite figures. I thought he was cool when I got it, but I don't play with it. I don't like it that much anymore. Yeah. Here we get the 9-inch scale figure in there. In the helicopter. Here we got Mondo accessories. 12-inch accessories, 1/6 scale. Knight Rider. I want to get that new Tomy Knight Rider, but I'm not going to do it because I got this Knight Rider and I don't even play with it. I think that looks good together. It's crazy how this Siege Jetfire is broken up like this. The Phoenix did a better job. Yes, yes, y'all. I got his armor parts in there. Here's Blokies. All the Blokies fit into this one little box. We got accessories. Yes, yes, y'all. There's always a new toy that I want to get. Yeah. Sunny day. Thank you guys for following along on YouTube and Facebook. Yes, yes, y'all. This is a nice, crisp day. At 5 a.m. At McDonald's, I found a $5 bill. So I'm lucky in some ways, cursed in some ways, too much disability. Yeah, but a beautiful sunny day.